If you want to move contacts from your SIM card to a phone storage on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings, choose connections, and then over here you want to go to SIM manager and then choose the SIM card on which you have your contacts, and over here we have move contacts to phone. And there we go, then we have the confirmation. This is how we can move to the phone storage. Of course, you can also move to the Google account as well, and in order to do so, we can go to the Contacts app. Then over here, tap on these three dots on the right side, and then go to Settings. And then we can choose to import contacts, you can allow notifications, and here you should be able to choose from where you want to transfer. So in this case, unfortunately, I don't have any SIM contacts left, but you should be able to select your SIM card over here and then choose where you want to transfer it, which is, for example, the phone storage or Google account or anything else. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.